tradition and talent. Heads of our performers, myself Kanav, and she is my co-host Harshita. Hey, today we are talking about one of the most beautiful state of Northeast India, Tripura. Do you know where it is located?
Of course, Kanao. Tripura lies in the northeastern part of India, mostly surrounded by three sides.
Right, Ashita, and its capital is Agartala. Tripura is small in size but very rich in culture, history, and nature.
Exactly, Kanao. Tripura is also famous for its food like Mui Morocco and Chakwi.
And yes, Ashita, Tripura is also known for its handicrafts, bamboo products, and warm-hearted people.
Exactly, Kanao. And the state is full of beautiful places like Ujantala Palace, Nirmaha Mahal, Sipai Jala, Wildlife Sanctuary, and Unakoti.
Hey. Yes, Hojagiri dance performed by Riyaj community. The balance skills are amazing.
Now, audience,
Get ready to watch
the
wonderful
wonderful Hojagiri dance performance by 4th B class. In charge teacher is Shraddha Kismat Rao Madam.
Participants, backstage. Please keep silence.
कोजागिरी नृत्य हे भारतातील त्रिपुरा येथील रियांग जमातीचे मनमोहक लोकनृत्य आहे, जे महिला मातीच्या घड्यांवर संतुलन साधून दिवे आणि बाटल्यांसारख्या वस्तू कुशलतेने हाताळतात, कापणीचा आनंद साजरा करतात आणि गुंतागुंतीच्या लयी आणि शरीराच्या खालच्या हालचालींसह देवी मैलुमा किंवा लक्ष्मीचा सन्मान करतात. होजागिरी उत्सवादरम्यान संतुलन, कृपा आणि सामुदायिक भावना दर्शवतात. NES शाळेच्या विद्यार्थिनी सविनय सादर करीत आहेत होजागिरी नृत्य.
Saya